Okay, final problem. All of these exponents. I feel like my brain is fried just talking about the prior three problems, so I can imagine how you feel. So, again, slow down, take your time, follow the rules. There really isn't a lot of thinking. If you just follow the rules and train yourself to understand how they work, then the stuff really isn't that bad. You still just got to take your time and do it carefully. Okay, so what my brain sees, we got a frying pan on the left and we got a frying pan on the right. So let's go ahead and follow our frying pan rules. Sprinkle in you. You're going to stick to that. You're going to stick to that. And then you're going to stick to that. Okay, here we go. Rewrite time. So we'd have an n to the 5. Half of 10 is 5. We'd have a 4 to the third power. An m to the third power. Negative 2 thirds times a 3. The 3's would cancel. Again, I can do it on the side right here really quick. So negative 2 over 3 times 3 over 1. 3's cancel. So kind of have that memorized. If this number and this number are the same and you're multiplying them, instantly cancel. N to the negative 2. Okay, so next step. Let's see if there's any bases that are alike. Yes, there are. There's two n's. So we have an n to the 5. We have an n to the negative 2. So I'm going to go ahead and combine those. I'm going to have an n to the 3. There's no other friends with m, so the m is going to stay an m to the 3. And then 4 to the third power is a big old number. Actually, no, it's just 64. There we go. Done. Okay. Slow and smooth is fast and accurate and efficient. Okay, all those things. I guess efficient is fast and accurate. So get it done nice and slow and smooth, and then you'll get it done properly. Okay. So again, replay. Multiplied U, Y. Frying pan rules. The seasonings mix. Okay, sprinkle in, sprinkle in, sprinkle in. Rewrite. Combine like terms or combine the exponents of the like bases. And then I'm done. 4 to the third. Make sure you power out the big kids. And then m stays m to the 3. It doesn't really have anything else to mess with it. So there we go. We're good to go. Okay. Moving on, let's do some more examples. All right, I got two frying pans. Here we go. Mix, mix, stick to you, stick to you. Okay, rewrite. I'm going to have an x to the negative 4. I'm going to have a 3 to the 4, x to the 4, and then a y to the 20. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice. Look at this. X to the negative 4, and then x to a positive 4. Hopefully you figured out from the last couple sections that if you have opposite exponents, they're just going to cancel. Okay? Why? Because there'd be an x to the 0. Negative 4 and positive 4 makes 0, and then x to the 0 just equals 1, which means it goes away. We don't need it. It's gone. So this one's kind of easy. 3 to the 4th power, y to the 20. 3 to the 4th power, I believe, is 81. Just want to double check. 3 to the 4th power, hit it, 81, yep. So this whole thing turns into an 81 y to the 20, okay? Replay, sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Rewrite, cancel, not much to do. Power that, and then y to the 20 stays y to the 20. Nothing messes with the y to the 20. There's no other y's. Okay, next one. Ugh, look at all these gross things. Okay, we got 2. This isn't too bad. Got a small frying pan on the right, so it's going to be c to the 6, and then 4 times u, not times u, actually, yeah, right, 4 times u, but then 4 sticks to u. So we have a 3 to the 4th power. 5 halves times 4. I guess I'll take my time and I'll write that out like a good math student would. Okay, here we go. Multiply straight across. U would turn into a 1. U would turn into a 2. So this would turn into a 10. Here we go. Okay, so this would turn into a c to the 10. Still being multiplied. I'm kind of dropping the multiplication down right here. Still multiply straight across. Let's see here. I would have a c10, c6. Those would add together. I would get a c to the 16, and then 3 to the 4th power. I've already dealt with that. So only so many numbers that you can power, friends, which means you only have so many numbers that you end up after powering. Replay, sprinkle, 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 rewrite, multiply, add, power, done. There you go. I'm just following rules. I'm not even really thinking that hard, friends. I'm just going really slow, really smooth, and I'm following my rules. Okay, last one. Okay, sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Whew, got a lot of food going on here. Rewrite, 6, 3, A, 3B, 3 times 5 squared A, oops, excuse me, to the negative 6. A little hiccup and burp at the same time, kind of hurt a little bit. Okay, what else do we got here? So let me double check. Sprinkle, okay, good. Okay, so we have a 6 to the 3, ooh, and a 5 squared. Gross, that's going to be a big old number. Okay, so I'm going to go multiply that out really quick. I'm going to go old school with it. I'm going to take my time. 6 times 6 times 6 times 5 times 5. That's basically what's going on there. 3 6s, 2 5s, hit it. 5,400. There's going to be ones like this in Schoology, so just there might be some big numbers. You know what? Deal with it. Numbers happen. Okay. Let's see here. A values. We have a to the 3, then an a to a negative 6. We're going to have an a to the negative 3. Now, I believe in my question banks in Schoology, I say, hey, leave it as a negative. But if the directions say no negatives, then you just got to follow the rule. So I could have skipped that, and I could have wrote it on the bottom, I guess. B to the 3. Okay. Okay. So you can leave it like that, but again, if the directions say no negatives, the only difference would be this. B3 over an A cubed. Okay, there you go. That is lesson 7.3, friends. Follow your frying pan rules, follow your big kids, little kids rules, follow your negative exponent rules. All this stuff builds on top of itself, so make sure your foundations are legit.